Alienda. Oh.
Kujaribu inashinda huko. Unaona bila maji vile inaenda. Sasa wewe
Na atashukiwa. It's a whole operation. Enda tuende tushike. Enda ushike huko. Umepitia pahali pabaya.
inakushinda tu. Ngoja shikilia tu, shikilia. Sasa. Ndio kisimteremsha. Ndio kidogo. Haya. Sasa wewe ndio kama unashikilia mdomo. Shikilia mdomo. Bwana vile ilikuwa na maji.
So, let me try and explain to you how this system works, okay? Yes, let's go. We're going for water. This is the second week without any water. So this is our routine. Every single day, we have to do this. Okay, let me explain to you how it works. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how it works. This is the water point, and this is the pipe connecting the water from the well. See? So we have a pipe here connected to this tank, but the well is on the other side of that fence. Can you see that metallic fence? The well is on the other side. So what happened is there was a connection made here. This green pipe brings the water all the way there, and then in the well there's a pump inside the well. So when you switch on the socket, I'm going to show you the socket, it pumps the water straight from the well through that green to inside the tank. And then this other gutter is for rainwater. So this tank is filled with rainwater and well water, and it's very full. There's so much water inside. Yeah, so I'll show you the well, but you can't see anything because it's covered. Yes, so that is the switch. That is the switch right there, and I need to pass there and go to the shamba and to see the well, but I don't know how to pass.
Yeah, take on me a blue.
Yeah. Who is talking to herself? So that is the switch. that is connected straight into the water pump that is inside the well. See where the tank is? And that is the pipe, and that is the switch. See, very clean water. The water is super clean. That is the kisima. Umeiona? That is the kisima. It is covered. It's covered. But there is a pump inside, and then it goes. There's a connection that goes here. From here to here is an electrical connection, and then the tank is on the other side. Does it make sense? Do you understand? Technology. run. Watch the sun hit me real quick. Watch the sun hit me real quick. Anyways, I'm going to town, but I wonder, every time I'm going to town, I don't find a picky here, and when I don't need them, they're always there. I cannot afford to walk too long. I get tired. Let's see if I'll get a picky. Otherwise,
It's the next day, so then we went on a sweet Mother's Day lunch as a family, and yes, pizza one. Steffi had been craving for pizza, and because I've not really been with her for quite some time, I was just going with that. That was yesterday, but I wanted to also say a happy Mother's Day to every mama watching me right now, whether you're raising little ones.
residuals. Who is Ferrer? Who is Ferrer? Farrell. My lord. Mm.
Sababu unajua pande ya juu iko chini. Hiyo inabeba mahindi mingi kuliko huku chini.
A few moments later.
I'm herding cattle. Look at them. They are thieves. They want to go in the chamber. Look at her. Hi. Hi, good people. See, the baby grew so fast. Hi. There. To me. Shh. Sandra. Sandra, hi. Hi, Sandy. Hi. Sumi, shukeni chini, mnasumbua. Nani ako na hiyo time? Sina nini kiboko. Sumi, nimesema mchini. It doesn't matter.
Unafaa kuchunga mbuzi isiingie kwa shamba tu. Ina hizo ziko queen. Bali zikienda pole.
Si huyo mwenyewe alikuwa amekaa hapo. Na zimedisappear, zimeenda. Sandy. Sandra. Hi, Sandra. Wow. It's gonna rain. Wow. Can you hear the blasts? Didn't you see how those sheep are going? They're moving slowly, slowly, and then they go. Wewe kichwa kubwa na kuona. Wow. Guys, can you hear the what are those tear gas? People are protesting the high fuel prices. Wee. See those mbuzis? They want they want to go. They want to go, but I hope the fence is covered because they will go into the neighbor's maize. Whee! Hey, the protests are protesting. Can you hear the blasts? We mbuzi na kuona sana wewe. Unataka kupenya hivyo, mimi sina hata nguvu ya kuingia hapo na hata space. Kwanza ile mbuzi ingine ya white imeenda wapi, my lord? Kishamsha. Hey, I don't know who is more mujanja kwa hii field. Is it the mbuzis? But hey, look at those condos, the way they are going, the way they are moving. Hey, now you have to be on your toes. You cannot even have... Moja imepenya! Shh. Shh. Ona huyu mwizi. Hapa ndio inatoka mwizi kabisa. That's Napier. Napier. That is Napier. Funny, this camera is looking how. Eee. the boys were working on the silage, but can you see? Please forgive my zoom. I think they're done now. Ah? Kwani mango ameenda wapi? Hapana, kwani si nimekuwa nikichunga? We ndio umesimama huko. Boundaries. Boundaries ni nini? Gani? Na si ndio nashindwa, si wangezitoa tu. Kwani mango ameenda wapi? Na mango hivi tu singefungwa tu. Mvua si ndio hii? Mbuzi. End of time. Mimi na wewe milele tu. And if the world ends tonight, I'll meet you in the afterlife. Guys, let me tell you something. I love matoke. I love matoke so much. I can eat matoke and githeri every day. Do you know me, I'm a kissy. Hey, I love matoke so much. Especially cooked like with nyanya. Yeah, I love it. It's so delicious. Delicious. So let me show you my food, guys. Let me show you my matoke. See? We have spring onion, we have some beef, I've just done a tumbukiza style thing. Yeah, nimerusha nyanya na vitunguu juu. Yeah, we have some beef also there. So just trust the process. Yeah. Let's wait and see how it turns out. Fire is good. Yeah. Check on my food, guys. Moto imepungua. Acha nisukume. I can't sit here because it gets too smoky. Okay. It's boiling nicely. Hi guys, if you're seeing this, it means you watched my video till the end, and I am super grateful for that. I hope you enjoyed the content. Yeah, so by the time you're seeing this, I am probably in Nairobi, but I'm going back home soon. Can you hear the noise in the background? I hope it's not so much of a distraction. Anyway, so I just wanted to say thank you for watching. And to my new subscribers, you guys are just the best. You guys give me so much motivation, because every time I check on my subscriber account and I see just one more person, I get the motivation to do this. So it's you guys that are keeping me going. Please continue subscribing. If you like my content, please subscribe, share it, comment. I need the engagement, guys. Where are the comments? I'm always ready to reply to your comments, so give me some work, okay? Yeah, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. We're in Nairobi because we had a doctor's appointment again. Yeah, but we're going back home soon, as I probably have mentioned. Yeah, and I wanted to upload this video. I would prefer to upload on Saturdays, but I wanted to do this for my super fan who's going back to school, and she requested that I upload before she goes back. Hey baby girl, this one is for you. So yeah, that's it, guys. I am so grateful. So I hope I hope I hope our channel keeps growing. Yeah, that's it for today. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed, stay hydrated, don't forget to wear your sunscreen, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.